afternoon, Dad. I'm here in Kakata. So I told you that I'm going to do the painting of this place here. You can see this is it. You can see we are trying our possible best to see how that we can make. We use a labradorite color or a flare color. This is it. As you can see, I brought some guys to help me so we can complete this place. So you see this. Now to make this scene to look so beautiful. So this is it. So you can see. These are the color that we use here, and so we use this specifically on the bongi itself. Yeah, and so this is it. You can see that we painted this with the color red, blue. So this is it. Saying the stick can consume more paint, so I have to go for another paint. So the four I put in for will not make it, so I'm going to get it other one to complete this place, especially the floor up there. So this is it. So I'm going to put brown and blue. If I brought one brown, so the blue that we left, that will be over, our leftover will be used to complete this place. So you can't pour in too much expenses. So this is it. I just thought it why to share this with you so you can see it. So this is it. You can see. So this is the bongi. Yeah. So this is it. Let me share this. Goodbye. A jar. So I saw the message that you sent to me, so I will definitely be in Kakata in Dupo Road tomorrow. Say that blue, put blue on the damper, the one that's standing. Yeah, all that pedal then you put blue on it. Yeah, the pedal. They forget that one. That the pedal yeah, you put blue all on that one. Can down, and you know, then the other one are red to get the color set. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you. So my service, yeah.